Hey everybody, how's it going? Jesse Nyberg here, and welcome back. For this video, I just wanted to be announcing the giveaway that I'm going to be doing. I'm coming up on 250 subscribers, and I just wanted to show a little appreciation for all the subscribers, likes, comments, and just overall good support I've had over the past couple months. For this giveaway, I'm going to be giving away 3 items, and I'll have more information on my Instagram as well. So the basic way just to enter for this is just going to be subscribe to the channel, make sure you subscribed, and then drop a like and comment on this video. And so to get into what I'll be giving away, to start off, I'm going to be giving away this 3-pack of National Geographic field notes. These are some really good books. I use these all the time for taking notes, drawing, sketching for logos. And I thought these National Geographic ones were pretty cool. It comes with the Yellowstone, Great Smoky Mountains, and the Rocky Mountain set. And this is gonna be like the gridded out one. These are nice, they fit in your pocket, super easy. Shout out Aaron Draplin. And then the next item I'm gonna be giving away, this is for both Mac and Windows users, because I know we have a diverse community in the design world lately. I'm gonna be giving away this Jellycomb wireless mouse. Super nice little mouse, nice click, and it has this sweet little round scroll top. And this is a wireless mouse. It fits well in your hand. It's pretty similar to the Magic Mouse that Apple uses, but you can use it with Windows. And then last up, I'm gonna give away one of my favorite books. I actually have a copy myself. This is the Designer's Dictionary of Color by Sean Adams. And this is a super good book for inspiration, all types of different color theory and just cool things to look at. So you flip to a random page. Purple has a lot of cool, just like inspiration, poster design, some writing about the history of some designers, like this avocado color on page 125. Nice, like post mid-century modern chair and that dope car. So it's a really good book. It's great for coffee tables, good to have in your collection, and just something that I really found useful, and I want to give that knowledge and use to someone else. With that being said, thank you everyone so far. Good luck, and check out the Instagram once again for other ways to enter the giveaway. I'll be announcing it in about a week, so make sure to post notifications on and stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and good luck. Thank you. See you next time.